Hey, it's me, Markov Yuri. This is Wolfram. Today, I will talk about the peeing sound effect from Soap Stories. It's from a video called Amakai Say One. It's a long story. This was played a year ago on April 7, 2023. The duration of the sound effect is 342 to 351. The funky music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now I'm gonna go to the bathroom to see how it sounds. I am ready to go. That feels so much better. This is how the peeing sound effect from Soap Story sounds like. Remember kids, when you need to pee, just use this sound effect. It starts at 342 and ends at 351. Make sure you remove the music at the beginning and end, okay?